I'm Henrik Hood. I'm responsible for an area called Business Operations Excellence, and therein heading the part of engineering.
I know that you were looking for some new solutions for your PERI CAD. What actually triggered that?
We were feeling that the CAD platform that we are operating at the moment is not the right equipment to drive us into the future, and therefore we were seeking a technological change which would serve us best in the changing market requirements. It triggered us that we have quite a big variety of engineering services that we offer, from standard applications, just where you would shutter a certain basement of a small house, up to a bridge pillar which is a couple of 100 meters height, and where we would need some specific mechanical parts that we do customize for that project site only. And this is actually the trigger.
My name is Patrick Oppel. I'm head of business solutions in Group IT, and with my departments I'm responsible to plan, build and run our IT applications along our core processes in the sales subsidiaries we have.
What made Bricsys stand out as a solution within the pool of options that you guys had?
Bricsys performed from the very beginning very professional. They convinced us that we had a very solid solution that fits most of our requirements. Bricsys took our topic seriously. So they really tried to understand, they tried to find solutions for us, and they accompanied us in the entire process. They not only saying we want to be your partner, they act as a partner, and this is very essentially for me.
Did they meet the expectations so far?
Definitely, from our side, we want to have more functionality faster in the solution. I think that's by nature.
Yes.
But when we looked how BricsCAD or Bricsys acts and others in the market acts, Bricsys is really world class, I would say. And if it continues like this, as we expect, we are very happy with the selection we did.
My name is Karl-Heinz Sokop, and I'm the head of Engineering Tools and Collaboration Department. We are responsible for all engineering tools, what will be used at the engineering in PERI. Worldwide, around about 1,300 engineers who are using our PERI CAD on a daily basis.
What design tools do you, your team, and the rest of the other teams use?
We have different use cases. This is also one of the reasons why we decide to go to BricsCAD, because we will be able to cover several areas. With Bricsys we are open, we can read different file formats, like from architects Revit files or IFC files, and also we can hand over to our customers IFC files directly from Bricsys, and this will be something what will help us to get more efficiency in our daily work.
What benefits are you looking to get from implementing the new PERI CAD?
The main benefit that we try to achieve and are looking forward to is an increase in efficiency of around, let's say, up to 10% is what we're expecting by changing our CAD platform. We're also seeking for a seamless integration of the workflows in our engineering design process, from receiving a customer inquiry until we are delivering a model-based outcome, hopefully in the future, and thus having our engineers also reducing the time they're spending on repetitive tasks via the automation that's promising coming from BricsCAD for the future.
Perfect, that's looking like a bright future for PERI.
Yeah, hope so.